Hack sent me this ice neck, which in the Florida heat on a golf course, it's everything you can need and more. You just put it around your neck and it cools your entire body just because of it hitting all the precise zones. And to get it cold, again, you just have to run some water over it and it lasts up to 2 hours. And it was so simple. All I had to do was put it in the freezer, and I'll show a clip of that. This thing, seriously, if you don't have one, you should get one because I've used it so many times. Also, I'll say my mom's going through menopause and she has used it whenever she gets her hot flashes. So this thing, best thing ever. Catch me with it the rest of the summer, and honestly, it's Florida, so for the rest of forever. Thanks, Hacked. I got the power. She's the cutest, and obviously it's gonna make her golf better. But shh, we have to be quiet on the golf course. Woo! On the green!